Terrence, representing Hoaco automation technology. We are basically a premium equipment supplier, specializing in web converting and packaging technology. The equipment that is behind me, we have brought on site actually can be used to manufacture many products in the field of electronics, medical, labeling, and printing. The response has been very encouraging. Okay, whenever a lot of visitors come to our booth, the first thing they will be surprised is, wow, such a gigantic but looks very completely machine. So they are very interested to explore. By bringing this machine equipment really on site, it helps a lot to give visitors the hands-on experience to see how actually modern manufacturing has been transformed, has been helping the medical technology to produce better quality products with a high throughput and performance. And we have seen a lot of even doctors, nurses, they have been using many of our products like what I'm holding now. One is grounding pads, one is dressings. They may be dealing with these end products every day, but this is the first time to them that they have seen how the product was being manufactured. And we have many people querying us. They ask us the question, are you a supplier or equipment manufacturer? They are actually looking for suppliers, but after talking to us, they all wanted to go back to their own country and set up the factory around themselves.